Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change your voice on TikTok. Alright, it's very simple guys. Now if you want to do that, the first step for you to take is open your TikTok app, and then you have to upload a video on TikTok from your device or record a new video. Now click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen to do that. Now for example, I will record a new video and show you how you can do this. Now once you record a new clip like this, just a clip just like this, alright, for example, now this is what you have to do next. Click on the check mark at the bottom right corner. Now once you click on that, and show you how then you get this option. Now right once you record a new clip like this, find this audio and show you how you click on that. Now once you click on that, then you can now add a voiceover to this clip you've recorded. Now by clicking on this record, then to start. Hello guys, this is how it works. Alright, so once you're done recording that audio, then you can now see sounds that you can use, or rather voice that you can use on TikTok. Now for example, I'm going to use this first one, which is chipmunk. Alright, once you use that, then right here at the bottom left corner you find this replace original sound with recording. Go ahead and check that radio button just like this. Now you can play to listen to your recording.
Then to start. Hello guys, this is how it works. Then to start.
Alright, so guys, this is how it works. Now once you're done with that, click on save at the top right corner. That will be saved and you can now upload on TikTok. So guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.